Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shine. Welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 6b from chapter Simultaneous Linear Equations. So coming to question number 6. Now here we'll be using method of elimination by equating coefficients. So first you will check the equation. First step is you have to make sure both the equations are in the form of ax plus by equal to minus c. दैट इज़ एक्स और वाई LHS में होना चाहिए और नंबर RHS में होना चाहिए. ओके, एंड ऑल्सो देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी फ्रैक्शंस और डेसिमल्स. Okay, so if you check the first equation, we have number in the denominator. Okay, also it is not arranged in the standard form. So let us solve this. So considering the first equation, x minus y, shifting 6 over here, it will become 6 2s are 12 into 4 minus x. X minus y is equal to 12 4s are 48 minus 12 into x 12x. Now standard form में क्या होगा? x and y in LHS and number in the RHS. So let's shift x over here. Okay, so x plus 12x हो जाएगा. Minus y is equal to 48. So it will be 13x minus y is equal to 48. Okay, so now it is in the form. So number the equation. Here also we'll solve. So 2x plus y is equal to 3x minus 12. Shifting x on the other side. Okay, so it will become 2x minus 3x plus y is equal to minus 12. So it will be minus x plus y is equal to minus 12. Number this as 2. Okay. Now, second step is check the coefficient of the variable. So either x का coefficient same होना चाहिए या same करना है और y का देखो. Okay. So either x or y. Okay, because we need to eliminate that variable. Okay, so it depends which one you want to eliminate. Now I'll be considering y. I'll consider y. y का यहाँ पे कोएफिशिएंट 1 है. ओके, यहाँ पे भी 1 है, तो कोएफिशिएंट इज सेम ओवर हियर. आई डोंट इवन नीड टू मेक देम इक्वल. ओके, x में मुझे यहाँ पे 13 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज यहाँ पे 13 है, यहाँ पे 1 है. 1 और 13 का एलसीएम 13 होगा. सो मुझे यहाँ पे 13 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे आई डोंट इवन नीड टू मल्टीप्लाई इफ आई कंसिडर y. ओके, सो दैट मच इट विल बिकम ईजियर. ओके, शॉर्टर स्टेप्स होगा. नाउ third step is once the coefficients are equal, check the signs of the coefficient. So यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे नेगेटिव है, यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव है. साइंस आर ऑपोजिट. सो ऑपोजिट साइन में हम लोग इक्वेशंस को क्या करते हैं? ऐड करते हैं. इफ़ द साइंस आर सेम वील सब्ट्रैक्ट. ओके, सो जो कोएफिशिएंट्स इक्वल है उनका साइन देखो. यहाँ पे ऑपोजिट साइंस है, सो वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड द इक्वेशन. ऑटोमेटिकली कैंसिल हो जाएगा. हैड इट बीन सेम साइंस वी वुड सब्ट्रैक्ट. ओके, सो एडिंग 1 and 2. So 1 is 13x minus y is equal to 48. Second is minus x plus y is equal to minus 12. प्लस y माइनस y कैंसिल हो जाएगा. ओके, नाउ 13x माइनस x हो जाएगा 12x एंड 48 माइनस 12 इज 36. सो x इज इक्वल टू 36 बाई 12, दैट इज x इज 3. ओके, नाउ fourth step, last step, we will substitute the value of the variable in any of the equations to get the value of the other variable. यहाँ पे x का मिल गया है तो y का find out करना है. Okay, had you found for y, then you will find the value of x by substituting y का value. Okay, so substituting x equal to 3 in equation number 2. I'll substitute in 2 because 2 is easier. Okay, there are less numbers. So minus x plus y is equal to minus 12. Substituting x का value minus 3 plus y is equal to minus 12. So y is equal to 3 minus 12. so minus 9. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 9. Box the answer and don't forget to write down the final answer. Okay, let's solve the next question, question number 7. Now over here again we have two equations. 3 minus brackets x minus 5 is equal to y plus 2 and 2 into x plus y is equal to 4 minus 3y. Now none of these equations are in the form of ax plus by equal to minus c. So first step is we have to bring the equation in that form and number it. Okay, so let us solve both the equations. So let's open the brackets over here. So 3 minus x plus 5 is equal to y plus 2. Okay, now variables LHS में होगा and number RHS में होगा. Okay, so minus x as it is, y will shift, so minus y, and 3 plus 5 becomes 8. Okay, over here we will shift 8 because number is in RHS, so 2 minus 8 हो जाएगा. So minus x minus y is equal to minus 6. Okay, you can keep it as it is and number as 1. Okay, or what you can do is multiply the entire equation by minus 1, so it will become positive. X plus y is equal to 6, but I am keeping it as it is. Okay, now over here 2x plus 2y is equal to 4 minus 3y. Now variables LHS में होगा, number RHS में होगा. Okay, so shifting this over here, 2x plus 2y plus 3y is equal to 4. Alright, so 2x plus 5y is equal to 4. Now it is in proper form, so number it. Second step, coefficients. So x का coefficient same होना चाहिए या same करना है या फिर y का coefficient. Okay, so you decide which coefficient you want to make equal. Okay, now I'll be taking x. Okay, you can also equalize y. यहाँ पे 5y है तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ 5 से multiply करना है, and if you are considering for x then यहाँ पे 2 से multiply करना है because x को 2 करना है. Okay, so which one you want to eliminate, you decide. Alright, so I'll be multiplying by 2. So second step is equalizing the coefficient. So multiplying equation 1 by 2. So 2 into minus x minus y is equal to minus 6. So we'll get minus 2x minus 2y is equal to minus 12. Okay, number this as 3. Now coming to the third step, check the coefficients का sign. Okay, जो दो coefficient same किए हैं हम लोग ने उसका sign देखो. If they have same sign, you will subtract the equations. If they have opposite sign, you will add the equations. So यहाँ पे plus 2x है, यहाँ पे minus 2x है, opposite signs है, so you will add the two equation. Had it been same sign, plus 2x or minus 2x, you would subtract the equations. Okay, so I'm going to add both the equations. So adding 2 and 3. Okay, be careful which one you are adding. दोनों जो same हो गया है coefficient, दोनों equations को add करना है. Okay, so 2 is 2x plus 5y equals to 4 and this is minus 2x minus 2y is equal to minus 12. So we are adding plus 2x minus 2x cancel हो जाएगा. We have eliminated x. 5y minus 2y 3y and 4 minus 12 minus 8. Okay, so we are getting y is equal to minus 8 by 3. Fourth step, you will substitute the value of the variable in any of the equations. So I'll be substituting it in 1. So substituting, why are we substituting? To find the value of x. So substituting y equal to minus 8 by 3 in 1. So minus x minus y. So minus y मतलब minus of minus 8 by 3. Correct? Minus x minus y है. So minus y is this. So y का value डालो, brackets डाल दो, is equal to minus 6. So we'll get minus x minus minus plus 8 by 3 is equal to minus 6. Shift this number only on the other side. So minus 6 minus 8 by 3 हो जाएगा. So minus x is equal to minus 6 3s are 18 by 3 minus 8 by 3, taking LCM. Okay, so we'll get minus 26 by 3. Okay, 3 कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर हो गया. minus 18 प्लस minus 8 क्या हो जाएगा? minus 26. बोथ आर नेगेटिव, so you'll add and put negative sign. Now this actually becomes positive. Okay, so it will become plus 26 by 3. Don't cancel it out. Okay, you can never cancel. That is mathematically wrong. Okay, coming to question number 8. Now the first equation we have 2x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0. So variables should be in LHS, number in RHS. So we'll shift this in RHS. Okay, so first step, you will bring it in the form ax plus by equal to minus c and then number it. Okay, so shifting 3, it will become 2x minus 3y equals to 3, number it as 1. This equation, we need to remove the numbers from the denominator. Okay, it should not be in fraction form, it should not be in decimal form. Okay, so 2x by 3 plus 4y is equal to minus half, shifting number on the other side. Okay, now यहाँ पे हम लोग पहले सॉल्व करते हैं. Okay, so here we'll take LCM, multiply and divide by 3. So 2x by 3 plus 3 into 4y by 3 is equal to minus half. So this will become 2x plus 3 4s are 12y by 3 is equal to minus half. So 2x plus 12y is equal to, shifting 2 over here and 3 over here. Okay, so 2 से multiply हो जाएगा, cross multiplying, and this becomes minus 3. So 4x plus 24y is equal to minus 3. Number this as 2. Now we have got two equations. Second step, we will make the coefficients same. Okay, now coming to the second step, we will either make the coefficients of x same or coefficient of y same. ठीक है, so I'll be equalizing of y. Why? Because y का यहाँ पे साइंस भी डिफरेंट है. ओके, एक नेगेटिव है और दूसरा पॉजिटिव है. सो व्हेन द साइंस आर ऑपोजिट, यू जस्ट हैव टू ऐड द इक्वेशंस, यू डोंट नीड टू सब्ट्रैक्ट देम. ओके, सब्ट्रैक्टिंग इज लिटिल डिफिकल्ट कंपेयर टू एडिंग. ओके, सब्ट्रैक्शन में साइंस चेंज होता है, बट एडिंग में कोई साइन चेंज नहीं होगा. सो आई विल मेक द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y सेम. ओके, यहाँ पे 3 है एंड यहाँ पे 24 है. So I can make 3 as 24. 3 into what will give me 24? 3 8s are. So I just need to multiply this equation by 8. Okay. You can also make x equal. यहाँ पे सिर्फ 2 से multiply करना है, तो पूरा equation 2 से multiply करेंगे तो 4x हो जाएगा. But then you have to subtract the equation because यहाँ पे +4, यहाँ पे +4. Signs are same. When signs are same, you subtract the equation. Okay. So I'll multiply this by 8. Multiplying equation 1 by 8. So 8 into 2x minus 3y is equal to 3. So that will give 16x minus 24y is equal to 24. Okay. So this is equation number 3. Now 2 and 3 we'll consider. Okay, जहाँ पे कोएफिशिएंट इक्वल हो गया, ये ऑलरेडी 24 था, इसको मैंने 24 कर दिया. Now signs are third step. Add or subtract based on signs. You will add if the signs are opposite or you will subtract if the signs are same. Okay, यहाँ पे signs are opposite. So we'll add 2 and 3. Adding equations 2 and 3. So 4x plus 24y is equal to minus 3. So 16x minus 24y is equal to 24. So this will get cancelled. We wanted to eliminate. 4 plus 16 will give 20, and 24 minus 3, that will give 21. So x is 21 by 20. Okay, we are getting it in fraction form. Now we'll substitute the value of this in either of the three equations. Okay, so fourth step, last step, you will substitute the value of the variable in any of the equations to get the value of the other variable. x का तो मिल गया, y का फाइंड आउट करना है. So substituting x equal to 21 by 20 in 1. So 2 into 21 by 20 minus 3y is equal to 3. Okay, so 2 tens are 21 by 10 minus 3y is equal to 3. Shifting number on the other side, or shift this over here and this over here. Minus 3y है तो positive हो जाएगा. So minus 3 is equal to 3y. Taking LCM, so 3 into 10 upon 1 into 10 is equal to 3y. So 21 minus 30 by 10 हो जाएगा. So this will become minus 9 by 10 is equal to 3y. So shifting 3 on the other side, it will go in denominator, right? यहाँ पे numerator में था, into था, यहाँ पे divide हो जाएगा. 3 3s are. So minus 3 by 10 we are getting. So y is equal to minus 3 by 10. So we found the value of x and y. Write down the final answer. X is equal to 21 by 20 and y is equal to minus 3 by 10. Coming to question number 9. The two equations are 13x plus 11y is equal to 70 and 11x plus 13y is equal to 74. Now, if you look at the equations carefully, 13x है, यहाँ पे 13y हो गया, and यहाँ पे 11y था, यहाँ पे 11x हो गया. So what is happening? The coefficients are getting interchanged over here. Okay, so when coefficients are interchanged, you will follow a little different method. Okay, you can use the normal method, that is you will make the coefficient same, फिर वो variable को eliminate करो, but here the numbers are big. Okay, 13 and 11 का LCM लेके then you have to solve. So that would give you big numbers, it will become little difficult. Instead, easier method would be following ASA method. Okay, that is you will add the two equations, then you will subtract the two equations, and यहाँ से जो दो equations मिल रहे हैं, okay, those two equations again you will add. Okay, so you will follow ASA method. ये दोनों equations को पहले add करो, फिर ये दोनों equations को subtract करो, and add करके जो equation मिला है, subtract करके जो equation मिला है, दोनों equations को we will add and you will get the value of the variable. Okay, then you just need to substitute the value of that variable and find the value of other variable. Okay, so it sounds little difficult, it's very very easy. Okay, so first thing you will do, you will number the equations. Okay, so always check यहाँ पे coefficients interchange हुआ है, so you can use this method. Alright, now first thing we'll do, we'll add 1 and 2. So adding equations 1 and 2. So 13x plus 11y is equal to 70 and 11x plus 13y is equal to 74. So we are adding 13 plus 11, 24, 11 plus 13, 24, and 70 plus 74, that will give 144. Okay, so we have 24x plus 24y is equal to 144. Now I can take 24 common from both x and y, so it will become 24 into x plus y is equal to 144. Shifting 24 on the other side, we will get x plus y is equal to 144 upon 24. 24 6 are 144. Okay, so x plus y is equal to 6. This is the third equation that we got. ऐड करके एक इक्वेशन मिला, नाउ सब्ट्रैक्ट करके एक इक्वेशन मिलेगा. ओके, सो now we'll subtract the two equations. So subtract 2 from 1 or 1 from 2. Okay, so subtracting 2 from 1, 2 को हम लोग subtract कर रहे हैं तो 2 बाद में लिखेंगे, पहले 1 लिखते हैं. 13x plus 11y is equal to 70 and 11x plus 13y is equal to 74. Now we'll be subtracting this. So the signs will change. जो भी पॉजिटिव है नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा फॉर सेकेंड इक्वेशन. ओके, सो दिस इज पॉजिटिव, इट विल बिकम नेगेटिव, दिस पॉजिटिव विल बिकम नेगेटिव, दिस पॉजिटिव विल बिकम नेगेटिव. सो 13x माइनस 11x कितना हो जाएगा? इट विल गिव मी 2x. ओके, एंड 11y माइनस 13y माइनस 2y. And 70 minus 74, that will give you minus 4. So taking 2 common, x minus y is equal to minus 4. So x minus y is equal to minus 4 by 2. So it is minus 2. Add करके एक इक्वेशन मिला, subtract करके एक इक्वेशन मिला. Now we'll add the two equations. So on adding y cancel हो जाएगा and x का वैल्यू मिल जाएगा. Okay, so this is easier method instead of equalizing the coefficient and solving. Okay, so adding equations 3 and 4. So x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to minus 2. So this will get cancelled, x plus x 2x and 6 minus 2 will give 4. So x का वैल्यू क्या मिल रहा है? 2 मिल रहा है. Okay, now we'll substitute this value in any of the equations. Now I would suggest substitute in 3 or 4 because यहाँ पे we don't have big numbers. Alright, so it becomes easier to solve. So substitute it either in 3 or in 4. So substituting x equal to 2 in 3. So 2 plus y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 minus 2. So y is equal to 4. So therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. This is the final answer. Okay. Moving on to question number 10. 41x plus 53y is equal to 135 and 53x plus 41y is equal to 147. Over here also 41x, 41y, 53y, 53x. The coefficients are interchanged. So in such a case, which method you can follow? Add, subtract, add. Okay, so we'll add these two equations, then we'll subtract these two equations. Add करके जो equation मिला, subtract करके जो equation मिला, that we are going to add again. Okay, and then substitution method. So this would be easier. Why? Because if I try to equalize the coefficient, 41 and 53 का LCM बहुत बड़ा number मिलेगा. Okay, so that would become even more tricky. Instead, this would be an easier method. Okay, so first we'll number the equations. So 1 and 2. Now we'll add. So adding equations 1 and 2. So 41x plus 53y is equal to 135. 53x plus 41y is equal to 147. Adding. So this will give 94x, 94y, and here we'll get 282. Okay. So taking 94 common, x plus y is equal to 282. Shifting 94 over here, x plus y is equal to 282 by 94. So this should be 94 3s are. Okay, you can just check 94 into 3, 4 3s are 12, 9 3s are 27 plus 1 28 हो जाएगा. Okay, so number this as 3. Now we'll subtract the two equations. So subtracting 2 from 1 or 1 from 2. Okay. So I'm subtracting 2 from 1. So पहले 1 ही लिख लो. And 253x plus 41y is equal to 147. We are subtracting. So signs of this equation will change. पॉजिटिव है नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, ये भी नेगेटिव हो जाएगा और ये भी नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. 41x माइनस 53x. सो 53 माइनस 41 कितना होता है? 12 होता है. ओके, सो इट विल बी 12 बट 41 माइनस 53 स्मॉलर माइनस बिगर है, सो इट यू विल पुट साइन ऑफ बिगर नंबर. ओके, सो माइनस 12x हो जाएगा. 53y माइनस 41y, सो दिस विल बी प्लस 12y. ओके, एंड हियर 135 माइनस 147, सो माइनस 12 होगा, because you'll do 147 minus 135, that will give you 12 and sign of bigger number. Okay, now we'll take 12 common over here, so 12 into minus x plus y is equal to minus 12. You could have taken minus 12 also common, signs in bracket would have changed. Okay, so अगर minus 12 common लिया तो bracket में हो जाएगा x minus y. Okay, so taking 12 on the other side, minus x plus y हो जाएगा minus 1. Okay, 12 divided by 12. Okay, so this is equation number 4. Now these two equations we'll add. So first we added, then we subtracted. दोनों जो equations मिला है उनको अब add करेंगे. So adding 3 and 4. So x plus y is equal to 3 and minus x plus y is equal to minus 1. x cancel हो जाएगा, y plus y gives 2y and 3 minus 1 gives 2. So y is equal to 2 by 2, 1. Now x का value find out करना है. So let us substitute value of y in either of the equations. You can substitute in 4 or 3. 1 and 2 it would become difficult. Okay, so I would suggest कि दोनों में से किसी एक equation में substitute करो. Substituting y equal to 1 in equation number 3. So x plus 1 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2. So write down the final answer. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. All right.